Hello and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic structured query language. So let's get started. You are tasked with retrieving the third highest salary from an employee's table without using the offset keyword. Which of the following approaches is most efficient using a subquery? Answer is B. Select salary from employees E1 where 3 equals, select count, distinct salary, from employees E2 where E2.salary equals E1.salary. In a PostgreSQL database, you have a JSONB column named metadata. How would you retrieve the value of the key version specifically as an integer, assuming the JSON structure is info, version 2? Answer is B. Select metadata-info-version, integer from apps. Which window function would you use if you wanted to find the value of a column from the first row in a window frame, but you want to ignore null values during the search? Answer is B. nth_value, column 1. Ignore nulls over, partition by ID order by date. When using the grouping sets clause, how does SQL represent a row that is a grand total, E, not filtered by any specific column in the set? Answer is B. It returns a row where the grouped columns contain null values. A developer writes a query. Select * from orders where status equals shipped. The table has many null values in the status column. What happens to the rows where status is null? Answer is B. They are excluded because comparison with null results in unknown. You need to create a recursive CTE to traverse a corporate hierarchy. Which part of the CTE structure is responsible for stopping the recursion? Answer is C. The termination condition in the recursive members where clause. In SQL Server, what is the primary difference between a filtered index and a standard non-clustered index? Answer is B. Filtered indexes use a where clause to index only a subset of data. Which transaction isolation level prevents dirty reads and non-repeatable reads but still allows phantom reads? Answer is C. Repeatable read. You want to combine two tables, sales_2022 and sales_2023, removing exact duplicates across both. Which operator is most appropriate? Answer is C. Union. What is the result of select coalesce, null, null, SQL, null, expert? Answer is C. SQL. In a cross-apply or lateral join operation, what is the unique capability that distinguishes it from a standard inner join? Answer is B. The right-hand side can reference columns from the left-hand side table. If you want to ensure that a transaction is rolled back partially to a specific point rather than entirely, which SQL command should you use? Answer is C. SavePoint or save transaction. Which of the following is a SARGable, search argumentable, predicate that allows the SQL engine to utilize an index efficiently? Answer is B. Where order_date equals January 1st, 2023 and order_date January 1st, 2024. What does the forUpdate clause do when appended to a select statement in databases like MySQL or Oracle? Answer is B. It locks the selected rows to prevent other transactions from modifying or locking them. In a window function, What is the difference between rows between and range between? Answer is A. Rows deals with physical row offsets. Range deals with logical value offsets. You need to find all employees whose names start with J and end with N, with exactly 3 characters in between. Which like pattern is correct? Answer is B, like J underscoring. What is the purpose of the instead of trigger in SQL? Answer is B. It replaces the standard action of the triggering statement, often used on views. Which of the following constraints is evaluated only at the end of a transaction rather than after each individual statement? Answer is C, deferrable constraint. What is the result of the expression select 5/2 in most standard SQL environments that default to integer math? Answer is B, 2. You are using the merge statement. Which clause is used to handle rows that exist in the source but not in the target? Answer is C, when not matched by target. In an execution plan, what does a bookmark lookup or key lookup usually indicate? Answer is B, a non-clustered index is being used, but it doesn't cover all required columns. How can you prevent SQL injection when writing dynamic SQL in a stored procedure? Answer is B, by using parameterized queries, e.g., sp_executesql with parameters. Which aggregate function would you use with the filter clause to count only active users in a single query along with total users? Answer is B, count, user_ID, filter, where status equals active. What is the specific benefit of a materialized view over a standard view? Answer is B, it physically stores the results set, improving query performance on complex joins. You want to find the difference between the current row's value and the previous row's value in a sorted result set. Which function is best? Answer is B, lag. What does the truncate command do that delete does not? Answer is C, it resets identity/auto-increment seeds in most systems. In SQL, what is the information schema? Answer is B, a set of read-only views that provide information about the database structure. Which of the following is true about a self-join? Answer is B, it is used to join a table to itself, requiring table aliases. If a column bonus contains values 100, 200, null, what is the result of select AVG bonus from employees? Answer is B, 150. What is the purpose of the cube subclause in a group by statement? Answer is B, it generates subtotals for all possible combinations of the specified columns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.